Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. You're trying to find where your crankshaft position sensor is located and how to replace it. Stay with us. All that will be covered in this video today guys. Now you don't need to remove your engine to do that. We simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. And with the engine being out, we can guys clearly show you where everything is located. Otherwise, that crankshaft position sensor, it's impossible to make a video guys and show you how to remove and replace it in detail. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is it guys here, that's the engine. Many of you have been asking me recently in the comment section below to share more information about diagnostics that we like. This is the one right here guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to check the current price and the functions, but it works on almost any car you can think of. So when you open the hood on your Kia, you're going to find your engine like that, right? Now you need to come towards the back side of the engine guys, and that's where things get interesting. So when you come towards the back side of the engine, that's the exhaust, okay, right here. And if that's the exhaust manifold, that's the upstream oxygen sensor, that's your transmission here. And if you come all the way here guys, okay, check it out on the left side of the engine towards the transmission, that's where the crankshaft position sensor is located. So how do you guys remove that sensor? Okay, let's explain that now. Two 10mm bolts that we will need to remove. Okay, one is out. Now a second one on top. Okay, this one is out too. And that metal plate comes out guys. When all that happens, okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of a better view. Here, that right here guys is your crankshaft position sensor. So that sensor, now we have a 10mm bolt with 10mm socket on top that we're going to go ahead and remove. Okay, let me grab it so we don't lose it. Perfect. Now that sensor guys could be stuck, so you might need to turn it a little bit. Okay, try to wiggle it. Okay, it eventually comes out. Now it could be stuck because that O-ring will be guys dried out and it will be stuck. So now we come to right here. Okay, here we are supposed to have a holder. Okay, that holder will need to be removed. Okay, and this one will be on the bottom under that hose. Then you come all the way up here, that's the connector. You're going to push it up, that connector, just grab it. Okay, now press that metal thing in, disconnect it, and your crankshaft position sensor guys, okay, comes out of there just like that. If you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor, the video will be published soon guys on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. Check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.